Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to sell tickets on Ticketmaster? In this video, we will guide you throughout the basics of listing and selling tickets on Ticketmaster. From setting prices to managing sales, we will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead into the Ticketmaster.com website. Right after that, click on sign in/register button, which will be in the top right corner. When you click on it, you simply have to wait. So as we clicked on it, let's just sign in. There is some problems. Let me just close my pause on the site. Alright, because it can be a pop-up which my ad block is actually interrupting. So let me just wait, press one more time. I have like 3 ad blocks in here, so I'm sorry guys for that. Now I can delete the cookies, so everything can be good to go. So let me just delete all of these cookies. Done. And reload. There we go. So accept all. Sign in, register, and it seems like this button is not working anymore. Open in reader mode. Yeah, this is something that people are actually having a problem with. So let's click directly on sell so we can go to seller parts, and we skip everything here. So here in the seller parts, just click on sign in and you'll be able to go to this page. So your session has been suspended. Something about your browsing behavior network made us think you were a bot. What can I do to resolve this? Try again from different device or different location. Ensure you have enabled JavaScript your browser. Remove any third party browser or plugin that may be running. So let's refresh that. It seems like it's not working. So in case you had the same mistake or problem as I did, you can use, for example, VPN. VPN can be very useful for such problems. So click here, click on connect, and here I will just go down, click on connect once more, choose location, let's choose United States, and in the Ticketmaster.com, Ola Premium has you covered. In order to access Ticketmaster, you whenever big guns available with Ola Premium. I don't want to do that. Alright, let's just go for Google, for example, like that. Connect. Okay, now we are connected. So once we have done that, let's go to Ticketmaster now. Let me just check if we are connected. Yep, we are. And now I'm going to open this website. Now, as you can see, stuff are actually getting interesting now. So after I click on sell, the VPN has stopped working for some reason, but yeah, so normally you should have this Ola VPN or any other VPN that you own ready to go, and you'll be able to create an account. But now, how can we actually sell our tickets? So here you can sell your tickets in 3 easy steps. Select ticket to sell. If you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled resale for your event, you can list your ticket from your account or enter your ticket barcode. Set your price, so you are in control, so you can set your price using their pricing tool and set exactly how much you will be paid when your tickets are sold. Then get paid. When your tickets sell, you will get paid via your selected method of payment, typically within 5 to 7 business days, provided we have all the necessary information. And it is a hassle-free selling with Ticketmaster, so you can reach more buyers. So Ticketmaster attracts millions of fans looking for tickets every day, giving you the best support to sell your seats quickly. Get pricing help. We give you real-time ticket pricing information to help you successfully sell your tickets with the correct pricing. And there is no hidden fees, so we will give you a breakdown of exactly how much you will earn when your tickets sell, so there are no surprises. And you are in control. You can change your ticket price anytime or remove your listing at any moment. And we've got you covered. When your tickets sell, you will handle the heavy lift. They will handle the heavy listing, like making sure your tickets are delivered to the buyer, giving you one less thing to worry about. So this is pretty cool, guys. So in case you would like to sell your ticket today, just go ahead and go to them. Sign in to your Ticketmaster account and select the tickets you want to sell. Click sell to see your options. If you see the option to sell your tickets now, an instant offer is available. So this is very good, because click sell to sell your options. If you see this option, an instant offer is available, like you can sell it straight away. and select review and accept offer, then accept offer to confirm the sale, and select your requested method of payment. Now for FAQs, how do I list and sell my tickets? You can sign in, click sell button as they said in this page. And basically guys, as you saw, there is a problem with this website. They are not really allowing anyone to sell. So let's check here, Ticketmaster available countries. There you go. What country do ticket operates in? So there's Australia, Belgium. Let me just open this real quick. So these are the countries. There's Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Mexico, New Zealand, Spain, Sweden, Turkey, USA. So maybe if we change it to, for example, to Canada, yeah, Canada made it easier for us somehow, so we can literally change it to Canada. If USA wasn't working, you can simply go for Canada and it might help you through the steps of creating your account. So now I created my account, and yeah, it's still suspended for some reason, but I got banned. But for you guys, hopefully you won't have the same problem, because Ticketmaster is not allowed in my country and they have already detected my device, and my ad block is literally just gonna stop everything from my website. So let me just pause on this site as well, pause this one as well, and let's check it out. Alright, oh yeah, it seems like it will not give fix at all. So yeah, this is basically how you can do it as I saw you. So you simply have to click on sell, go ahead in this page, you will find this whole page that explains it to you in details how you can sell everything. The process of creating an account in Ticketmaster is pretty easy, but you have to add one more step, which is the identity verification. So you have to take a picture of yourself or anything that can manage to help you, and to add like anything such as pictures or or your identity card or your passport or anything, or even driver license, anything to prove who you are, because not anyone can sell here. You can't really start scanning people, creating fake barcodes, creating fake stuff will make a lot of troubles for Ticketmaster, and of course for the client themselves when they want to get a ticket for a concert or sports, and once they reach the stadium, the concert stage, they will find out that the ticket that they paid for is actually a fake one made by a fake user. So that is why they have a pretty high security system, so they won't let anyone to get into the selling area, even like people from outside US or the UK or anything like that. They will not be able to actually access the page since your IP is not from that specific countries. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.